Another fine vehicle offered by Steve's Hometown Toyota.
This is a 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan, the vehicle with enough space for you and yours. This Dodge's list of numerous features includes power windows, air conditioning, a CD player, rear curtain airbags, disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 28,000 miles. It features a 3.3-liter 6-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Not to mention that this Dodge qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this minivan for yourself.